Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Speak. Today I am going to talk about a feeling many of us have. We most of the time we all think we can't speak. We are not able to speak, but we are not focusing on the right thing. Why we are thinking it? Why we are feeling like this? Sometimes we watch podcasts, sometimes we watch videos on YouTube or anywhere, and we thought how fluent they are. They are speaking so good, but I'm not able to speak. And sometimes we thought they are perfect, that's why they are speaking good. But no, that is not true. That is not 100% true. Even it's their practice, it's about their vocabulary. Sometimes it could be they are speaking about a specific topic and they have a lot of knowledge about that topic, and also they have vocabulary about that topic. That's why they are speaking perfect. They are speaking fluently because they don't have to think about any words, about any context in that topic because they knew everything. But what we are thinking, they are speaking fluently because they are fluent in English. No, it's about their knowledge, it's about their vocabulary. So if you want to also know about yourself, you can speak or not, then check about your you should to speak about a specific topic in which you have a lot of knowledge. It could be any subject what you like. It could be general topic too, like about day. It could be like what you did, what you are planning to do, or what's going on in your life, or it could be how are you feeling. If you will talk about this, then you will know you can also speak. It's not about that you are not able to speak. It's about on which area you want to speak, for in which topic you want to speak, because if you have knowledge about that topic, then you can speak fluently, you can speak without stopping yourself again and again. But if you are trying to speak about a topic which you don't know, about that topic you don't know anything, and you are just trying to be fluent in that topic, no, you can't. If you want to fluent in that topic too, then too you have to know about that topic, know about that specific topic, what is the meaning, what is this, and all about that. You have to gain knowledge, then you will speak that topic to so fluent. And for example, if I will tell about myself, I can speak my brother even more than hour in English continuously without any hesitation, without any uh, afraid of like I don't on that time I didn't feel any type of fear that I can't speak or I'm not able to express myself, because here I am not talking about any specific topic. And sometimes it could be we talk about any topic in which we want to know, in which we are just discussing, and about that topic we have knowledge, so we don't have to think about that vocabulary or anything. So we can talk even more than hour continuously. And yeah, there are some of my friends to whom I can talk continuously. And it's because on that place I feel safe. I don't feel afraid of judging. I don't feel fear of judge. They will not judge me because they knew me, and also I know them. And also on that time we didn't discuss about anything what we don't know. We are not discussing about we are not able to speak properly, we are not focusing on negative things, we are just focusing on the thing we want to do, and what's going on, and how is the weather, uh, how is going your life and my life. We just speak in general sense. And sometimes I write diary. Yeah, I sometimes I didn't write too. That's why I can't say I write diary on regular basis. So sometimes I gap it. But yeah, when I write, I feel like even I can write my diary continuously. Matlab, it means like I can write my diary continuously even more than two and three, 4 pages. I didn't feel like I don't have vocabulary, because on that time I express myself. I didn't feel like I have to prove something, I am able to speak or I am able to write or not. And I can speak too in front of mirror continuously, even so long time. Not now, even in the beginnings too. I started when I speak in front of mirror. I speak so long. Yeah, there was so simple sentences, and also I use simple sentences, short sentences, sometimes simple phrases. But I didn't feel fear of speaking. I feel like I can speak. And also at the same time, when I have to speak in front of someone, then I feel like I'm scared. I'm not able to speak, because on that time we focus on it that I don't know how to speak. I'm not able to express myself in front of someone. But what we should to do, if I can express in front of mirror, if I can record myself, then I can speak in front of any of them, because everyone is just a learner. Nobody is so perfect. It could be someone is 19, someone is 20, but it doesn't matter. If the thing matter is you are trying. The one who is trying is better than the one who didn't, uh, who have not courage to try. So if you are trying, you are far better than so many people who are not trying. So what you have to do now, if you are also feeling the same, you are not able to speak, then go and speak in front of mirror, and you will see you are not that what you are thinking. You can speak. On that time, you don't have to speak about any specific topic. You can speak about what's going on around you, what you can describe your room, you can express your feelings. What are you thinking when you can express in front of mirror, like what you think you are not able to speak, but you are trying to speak, and anything, whatever going in your mind, you can express that on that time. And you can't just it that if you are not able to speak about any specific topic, then you can't speak. No, you can speak even about that topic too. You can speak when you will have knowledge about that topic. So if you want to also see it, you can speak about topic or not, then you can go and do research on that specific topic and then speak about that. You can, even you can speak so good, or you will not even imagine. So if you are also feeling the same, then go and do it, and I do it too. So, and that's it, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you for the watching.